Now to a troubling trend. Comal County is seeing a jump in domestic abuse and sexual assault cases. Victim advocates are calling it the shadow crisis of the pandemic, impacting roughly 1 in 3 families. Tonight, KENS 5 reporter Hannah Tita shows us how the crisis center is helping the community break the silence to end the violence.
Her path to a better life wasn't easy, but it started here at the Crisis Center of Comal County.
In our home, we had alcoholism and mental health issues.
Heather Harrison was a young girl when her mother brought her to a safe house in New Braunfels. All they had were a few bags of clothes.
And we did feel very safe. I was impacted greatly, though, by seeing some of the other people who lived in the shelter, the other women, because so many of them were so much worse off, in my opinion, physically beaten, coming straight from the hospital in bandages.
Harrison now shares her story to be a voice for those experiencing different types of abuse.
I want everyone in Comal County and beyond to know that the face of domestic violence may not be who you think.
CEO Dr. Julie Strench says the Crisis Center has served more than 900 domestic violence and sexual assault survivors over the past 2 years. That's a 26% increase from 2020.
I don't know if it's related to the pandemic, but I think in some ways that it must be, that this place where we were isolated and then coming back into the community, people's tolerance levels are low.
But thanks to the center, Harrison has seen victims transition from surviving to thriving. Her mother helped build the Comal County Women's Shelter in 1994. It was recently destroyed by a fire, so the community is stepping up.
This fundraiser will go a long way.
Tuesday evening, hundreds will gather at Krause's Cafe to watch 18 men walk a mile in her shoes, rebuilding the shelter where so many families rebuild their lives. Hannah Tita, KENS 5.
Now, tables are sold out for that event, but you can still drop by the Walk a Mile in Her Shoes event starting at 6 p.m. on Tuesday. For more information on how to donate, just visit our website at kens5.com.